Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dejah Monet. I film business related videos, entrepreneur related videos, t-shirt making videos, all types of videos. I'm trying to expand and do things differently, so if you have any suggestions in the comments down below, let me know. Side note, I'm not gonna ramble, but I've been getting into crystals lately. If anybody is into crystals or spirituality, let me know, because I want to do a video on that soon as I get like more educated. But I kind of have like a good gist of it, and I have a good collection. So if you guys want to see my collection of crystals, just let me know. By the way, this is just a little chakra tree. Super cute. And it has the colors of the chakra. Still kind of learning about chakras and all that, but yeah, I got this, and I got a bunch of crystals. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to be making a t-shirt. This is going to be interesting because I'm doing a new technique. I'm playing with color. I try to stay away from color because the color vinyls are a little bit trickier than just the standard white for some reason. But today I'm going to venture out and try using some color. Before we get into the video, I want to thank the brand LilOva for sending me a little gift. If you are a male, you might want to click off. I don't think you'll be interested in this part, or you can skip ahead. But I am going to be talking about menstrual cycles, so you may not want to stick around. Anyway, they sent me a pair of period underwear, and I am super excited to share. So they sent me the Mia Hipsters, size medium, and I got the color black, and this is what they look like. Super cute for period underwear, by the way. And if you don't know what period underwear are, they are like a replacement for a pad or tampon or a diva cup, whatever you wear. Super comfortable. No, it's not like a diaper. This is actually a nice silky soft material, very similar to underwear. You can feel the pad. It's very thin, but you can feel it, so you know that you're covered and where you're covered. The style that I got is equivalent to 2 tampons worth. Let me just give you guys a little bit of info on LilOva. So LilOva offers 6 different panty styles for you guys. They have a thong for those who are into thongs. I don't prefer them, but I know some people are more comfortable wearing them. The thong style that they have holds a half tampon's worth, which is still amazing for a thong, like, you know. They also have 2 different bikini styles, one hipster, which is the one that I have here. They also have a hip hugger and a high-waisted pair. The high-waisted pair holds 2.5 tampons worth. That's like a whole day, I think. I don't really wear tampons. I usually wear pads, but that's insane. Your underwear is composed of like 4 different layers. The first layer is this cotton inner layer with softness and breathability. The second layer is an antimicrobial lining. This layer is to fight bacteria and odors. The third layer is a super absorbent fabric that can hold up to 2 tampons worth. And then that 4th layer is the leak resistant nylon outer layer, which is what you see here, or what you feel here on the outside. It's recommended that if you're wearing these for the first time, you try it out at home, just so you can see how it works with your body and your cycle. Then once you have a feel for how long you can go without any leaks or anything, feel free to wear them wherever. I have been trying to stay more eco-friendly, and this is just another way for you to save on waste, because of course this is one pair of reusable underwear compared to dozens of pads or tampons that you go through within one cycle or many cycles throughout the year. You can wear these underwear on their own, or you can wear them paired with a pad or a tampon, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. Once again, this is what they look like. I love hip huggers, I love boy shorts, and I love bikinis, so this is my type of underwear. They have a tan color, and they also have this black color that I have. I am currently on my cycle, so I will be wearing these and I will be giving you guys a little update at the end of the day. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will be linking the underwear that I have, and I will also be linking a link just to the general website. Feel free to browse the different styles that they have, and let me know if any of you guys try it out, because I am interested to know how it worked for you guys. I feel like I've talked you guys off enough. Let's get into the video. So I forgot to show you guys the design in the intro, but I basically got my graphic designer to make this, and it is inspired by, or it's literally a quote by Malcolm X. It just says, "By any means necessary." I don't know if you guys could see that. Super cute, and she did an amazing job as always. It turned out just how I wanted it to. If you hear clicking in the background, that's the heat press. It's almost heated up. So yeah, it just says "by any means necessary," and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the left hand side, right? So it's gonna be this and the front, and then on the back I got this big one, so you could see clearly it says "by any means necessary" here. Super duper cute, and I think it's gonna look amazing. I'm also doing it on this green shirt here. I had it all folded and ready, but I'm doing it on this green shirt because I think the combination is just gonna be, I just think the combination is gonna be immaculate. So I'm excited. I'm doing green with the white and then the yellow on the back. Call me crazy. I think this is gonna be an amazing color combo. Let me zoom you guys in. Let's press it, get a nice crisp line. By the way, my heat press is set to 350 for those who are wondering. A lot of people in the comments were telling me to check my vinyls instructions. I tried that and didn't get the best results, but I have found what works for me, and that is 350. So now that I have that on, and I have a little crease in the middle. You guys probably can't see it. I kind of want the white to be on this side. I think I'm gonna do it on this side. So let's see. Oh, I forgot my measuring tape. Okay, I'm back. I have my measuring tape. I'll move you guys in close so you can see. Okay, so I am going to measure about 4.5 inches down from the neckline. By the way, guys, this is just a sample. This is my shirt, so measurements aren't as precise. The measurements aren't going to be as precise as they normally are, and you don't see me like going the extra mile because it's just my shirt. We are going to take the Teflon sheet. We are going to press this for 15 seconds. One of you guys actually told me that I can just use a cloth to press in the vinyl. So thank you to whoever told me that, because I was using like this vacuum cleaner tool and it wasn't bad, but like it was a little more difficult than just using a cloth. Beautiful. Turned out amazing. All right. So that's that. Very well pressed into the shirt. So now I am going to flip it. And this is the fun part. Okay. I think I want it to be like right here. I'm completely guessing for this part. I definitely could have made this way smaller, but that's fine. Just make sure this is perfect. I think that's good. And once again, put the Teflon sheet on. This isn't necessary, but I'm just super paranoid. So, okay. Perfect. I'm gonna press this for another 5 seconds just because I do see some areas where it doesn't look completely pressed in. So yeah, just pressing it for 5 seconds to be sure. And that is the finished shirt. Turn this off. Alright guys, so it is a little while later and the shirt is done. As you guys can see, this was a sample shirt for me. I wanted to test it out before I put it on the site, so I just made like a prototype. And yeah, here are my conclusions with this little experiment. I'm wearing the shirt, obviously. I definitely could have put it a little higher up, maybe like an inch higher up or a ½ inch, and it also could be a little more centered. So yeah, that's where I messed up. And then for the back, let me show you guys. This is the back, and well, it's not bad. Obviously it is way too low. This is the back once more. I'm not sure if I'm in frame. Hopefully I am. So yeah, I did the back way too low. Thank God this is a prototype, and the official design will be live on the site within the next day or so. I actually have to get the mock-ups made for the site, so be on the lookout for that. Probably I would say the next week, because I have to get the design color changed and all that, and I have to order some more gold vinyl. But this was fun. I will be making another update video probably to let you guys know when it's officially out, but I just wanted to include you guys in the process of my spontaneous idea. Also, it is much later in the day. It is currently 12:53. So I must say LilOva definitely held up. I will be linking their site down below for you guys to check out. I love supporting small businesses in any way I can, so please be sure to check them out. I definitely will be buying from them. It's always nice to have a few pairs on hand. The period underwear are great for people of all ages, but especially for postpartum moms and teens who may not feel comfortable going to the bathroom constantly if you're in school and want an alternative option that can get you through a school day with no leaks. So be sure to check out this brand. I am back in school now, so it's a lot more difficult to keep up with videos, but I will be posting regularly again. Thanks for everybody sticking with me, and thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. Let me know if I should do a giveaway, because I definitely will. I just did a giveaway on my Instagram for my 1-year anniversary, but I can do a giveaway on YouTube. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, I might do a giveaway if you guys are interested, so stay on the lookout for that. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below some video suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on that post bell notification. Also check out mahoganyboulevard.com, link down below. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye.